Poor man's air conditioning unit. This is what you need. You need a fan, you need a plastic tray, and you need to get your big un out the fridge. Now, you've seen my big un before. I'm going to show it you again. My big un is in the fridge. Oh yeah! Solid ice, baby. Now, she won't stand up. She will stand up. My big un. You know it's a big un because it says on it, big un. Frozen solid. Take your big un. It's going to be a bit difficult because you don't want to stand up. And stick it. Oh, it's not going to stand up. I'm going to have to improvise, lay it down. Normally it would stand up, but we've got a little bit more ice in there than normal. And then put your fan on. Let's stop it rotating. Stop it rotating, and we want to point the fan at the ice. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Cool. Lovely. Now, if I was you, what I would do is I would close your blinds, close your curtains, put your fan on number 1 speed, and just leave that on number 1, and it will keep your room nice and cool all day. Happy days.